for us.
Back in week 2, we started working on our exterior facade, going for that Aspen chalet vibe by adding stone and natural wood to the back of the house. Now we have to finish the front of the house.
I think everyone else has gone either dark, like a black, and we've gone with a wood. So we need to bring that in somewhere else on the house as well.
What if we add more wood around the front door and then paint our siding white?
And then when it comes to landscaping,
let's go with the flow here. Let's put some scrub brush in. What if we did like a huge boulder down here that we could carve the side off, put the address number in, and try and light it?
Bingo. For the back here, let's maybe do a stone fire pit with natural boulder seating around it to really maximize our views.
How about we keep it simple with grass, and let's stage the lower patio with some furniture?
it's almost like your neighbors disappear and you are alone out here.
It's gonna be the most beautiful house on the block.
I mean, it is. And I love that we're painting it black.
Yep.
To finish our alpine chic look, we'll add wood siding and more of the light stacked stone around the front door to make a great contrast against our paint choice.
And then for landscaping, we're doing some fun plants along the driveway, a grass lawn, and rocks near the house.
We can extend the concrete out.
I love it.
Because sometimes you do want to extend your dining experience. And then we have our fire pit. So we'll have our table for 6 down here,
Yeah.
our grill on the opposite wall.
Okay.
Are you ready for this?
I am. To transform our house into a mountain modern masterpiece, we've added wood siding as well as concrete tiles, which will last forever. But there's still a few details to hammer out.
I know you want your front doors to be,
Black, because
Good.
they increase value.
and it looks good.
Yes.
The black door would look amazing paired with the dark stack stone around it.
What about landscaping?
We'll lean into Colorado with evergreen trees and then do some really smart green lawns.
Maybe we play with the grade of our yard and make it where we have steps down this way and make it like an amphitheater. We have like a screen on this side. That could be really cool. We wrap around this side and grass out here, maybe a couple pavers, our double-sided fireplace.
Oh!
This has been the longest 5 weeks of my life.
We've got to see so much come together. The same light colored stone from the back will surround the front door and the porch area. And then what are you thinking for the landscaping?
Maybe we put grasses on both sides of the driveway. Keep it really elegant and classic.
Curb appeal is so important. So we really think that this is really gonna fit perfectly into this Colorado neighborhood. It is so big from the back. You can appreciate all the square footage now that you see it from back here.
So I think back here, I would love to see a transition from the living space downstairs out into the yard. Some low planters that we could do some herbs or something. Maybe some outdoor seating so people can entertain out here. And for the rest of the lawn, I think we could just do sod.
All right, butterfly, spread your wings.
Since our concrete facade is a little risky and doesn't exactly scream Colorado, we want our landscaping to fit in with the natural beauty of the area using evergreen trees and red rocks.
That's beautiful. We're gonna have like our own little forest over here. Oh, that's our boulder now.
Here come the boulders, here come the boulders.
Boulder!
So grill, some cabinets,
Yep.
smoker somewhere around here.
Yes. The grill is pretty big, right? And that would need a closed cabinet below. It's not too long, but it feels substantial enough to be like, hey, this is good, right? We're doing an entire barbecue deck. So John's going to build a custom cabinet so we can put the grill and the smoker in it.
I think this is gonna be absolutely great.
Do you think we're gonna be okay with budget? I think scrapping my original idea of all cabinets is a good one. So we can have some open shelves. We'll put the wood in there. I want this to be built in so it'll add value in the appraiser's eyes, but I also want it to be leggy and interesting looking because I want it to have that modern farmhouse vibe and be really unique.
Now we have all of this
We do.
area, but now we have to really talk about this challenge.
Have you seen the Adirondack chairs that they build out of the snow skis?
Yes, I have.
I've always wanted to build one of them. We could
Buy
do a
'em?
couple of them.
Wait, buy it or build it?
And build it. I'm thinking fire pit.
Yep,
As
we
we've
have a
already
fire pit.
spoken about,
Yep,
we have a
we
fire
have
pit.
that.
Then, you know, maybe a couple of Adirondack chairs.
We're in the Rockies. We're near plenty of ski lodges, and these ski chairs are the perfect chairs where you can just hang out after you're hitting the slopes. I love this idea.
The judges will be here soon, and it's stressful. We really need a win.
And do you think that's the right height?
No. This just sells the whole feel. So we have the bocce court, so you're gonna be out entertaining. You have a fire pit there. We have the barbecue deck that you're entertaining there. We have the dining space. So we're feeling pretty good about ourselves there.
30 minutes left.
Ooh, that looks heavy.
It is very heavy.
This is nice.
Let's go, 30 minutes.
This is crazy.
What's up, guys?
Good morning, how are you? Welcome back to the block.
Yeah, it's a little less stressful over here.
Yeah. Welcome to Mountain Modern.
Oh, I like that.
I love
Wow.
Ah. Oh, oh, oh.
Oh, okay. You guys took a little playbook from Florida doing that indoor-outdoor living.
This feels like it's part of the house.
Smart.
I love the fire aspect.
Yeah.
Shall we keep going?
Ooh. Join us on our Red Rock
I
Trail.
was waiting on that reaction.
Yeah, let me go see what's going on. This is so cool. I love using natural elements for seating.
You have a double-sided fireplace. Keep you warm on both sides.
Love that.
The only thing about the double fireplace, it's a little bit too high for me. For me, it's great, right? Because I can still see the view from back here. But Mika, if you come back here,
Okay, let me check.
you're not gonna be able to see that beautiful mountain view, right? This is so much fun, guys.
I think the true test of who the winner's gonna be is where are we coming to hang out and relax after we're done with judging?
We already know.
Well, I guess we'll see y'all later.
We'll see y'all later.
All right.
John and Christina, how are you?
Guys.
Welcome.
First impression, so far, so good. Incredible.
Yes. That stone accent is one of the first things that really pops out to me on this exterior.
Yeah, definitely welcoming.
Yeah. What? Oh my gosh. Ooh.
Incredible. I mean, this outdoor fireplace, this steals the show out here.
Yeah, this is a really good execution of seamlessly flowing.
Wait to see the next space.
Ooh, I'm gonna follow my nose.
Yeah.
And see where it goes.
I see what you guys are cooking over here, for sure.
Yummy.
Literally.
Oh my goodness. This is really cool. I love how the dining is right there. You make the meal, you eat there.
It's
or-
all connected.
Yep. Oh, this is so pretty. You got the fire
Yes.
element here. I love that. You did a really good job executing and making every single square foot of the outdoor space count.
We'll go enjoy 2 more, then come back here.
Okay, cool.
All
See
right.
y'all soon.
Thank you.
Thanks, guys.
Welcome.
You're the only one with a massive address.
Yeah, that is cool.
It blends in with the natural environment here in Colorado. Yeah.
Our vibe was Aspen Chalet.
Wow.
Incredible. This feels like it should be in the mountains.
Natural elements are something that are never gonna go out of style.
Yeah.
And then when you look at your view and your backdrop, it feels like this house belongs here. That's important.
Oh my gosh, guys. I absolutely love how you drew the front yard out here to the backyard as well.
Yes.
The double-sided fireplace is a win for me. I mean, let's face it, in Colorado, you need that heat out here as well.
Let's check out what else you got.
Continue. And here we have our built-in outdoor grill.
Hey!
Dang, this is so pretty.
I wanted to do something a little fun. This is Woodhenge. This is art, but this is also parkour.
Do you parkour?
Oh, hold up, I've never tried that.
You've never
You
tried
gotta
it?
try it.
Oh my God.
She's almost there.
Oh, she's getting farther. You got it.
Oh my God.
This is so tempting to stay here and watch the beautiful sunset over the mountain range, but we have another house to see.
Y'all did a
Well,
great
thank you,
job.
guys.
Thank you
nice
so
meeting
much.
you. Paige and Mitch.
Welcome.
Okay.
Welcome to Alpine Chic.
Oh,
Alpine Chic.
I like that.
Okay.
I love it. This has a nice, bold statement. It definitely draws your attention, and it does have a timeless look to it.
Yeah.
This is cute. I love this path. You don't have to truck through the house.
And it's peaceful.
I can't wait to see the rest. Come on. Oh, look at this. Built-ins are a plus. Aesthetically, they don't even look like appliances. It looks like it's part of the house, which looks great.
But wait a minute, let's keep going.
We've got a little Alpine Adirondack chairs over here.
And that's a gas fireplace.
It is.
Very cool. This is beautiful back here.
Thank you. But it keeps going.
Hang on, what?
Okay.
Hold up.
So
hold
we had
up.
another
over yet.
challenge, which was a game.
This is nice, and I love the detail with the stone again. I think we got to check out the rest of the deck space.
Love
All
that.
day. Welcome to our upper level.
Oh.
Very cool.
It really does feel like this could be the inside of the house. It extends and flows really nicely.
Yeah.
Great job.
Thank you.
Brian and Mika, who enhanced their outdoor spaces the best and added the most value?
The winner of the Rock the Block exterior renovation is
Brian and Sarah.
Yeah.
Look how happy you are.
This was a good win. I think this one felt good.
Needed. Well, I didn't need.
We nailed it. We deserved it. It was time.
It feels better than I thought it would feel.
Give me the money. Give me the money. There's your